I just opened the Shark vacuum and I had to show you. It is a handheld vacuum and a stick vacuum all in one. So this is like the charging station. It's charging right now. If I want to use the handheld vacuum, I just grab this and I turn it on and it's a handheld vacuum. If I want to use it as like a vacuum, I just click it into the vacuum attachment, take it off the charging station, and turn it on. It is literally the coolest thing. It's so nice and lightweight. I'm so excited to use it.